In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to on satellite mode in Google Maps. By the end, you'll know exactly how to switch from the standard map to rich, high-resolution satellite imagery, which is perfect for getting a realistic view of landscapes, buildings, and terrain. First, open Google Maps on your computer using your preferred web browser. Give it a second to load the default map view. If the page looks a bit cluttered, you can maximize your window so you have a clear look at the entire map interface and the controls around the edges. This helps make the next steps easier to spot. Next, look to the bottom left corner of the map for the Layers button. It usually looks like a small stack of squares. Click it once. This opens a compact panel that lets you control what you see on the map. Things like different map types and extra details. If you don't see it immediately, make sure you're actually on the map area and not zoomed so far out that interface elements are hidden. In the panel that appears, select More. This expands the options so you can see the full set of viewing choices. Think of it as opening the deeper settings for how your map is displayed. It's a simple click, but it reveals everything you need for the satellite view. From the expanded choices, choose Satellite. As soon as you click Satellite, Google Maps switches from the default vector style map to detailed aerial imagery. You'll notice roofs, roads, fields and coastlines appear with real-world textures and colours. This view is great for visually confirming landmarks, understanding the layout of an area, or planning routes with a better sense of the environment. At this point, the map will switch from the default map view to satellite imagery. Give it a moment to fully load, especially if you're zoomed into a dense city or a remote area with lots of detail. Loading time can depend on your internet speed. You can continue to zoom in and out as usual, drag the map to explore, and use search just like you would in the standard view. If anything looks blurry at first, zoom in a notch or wait a moment for the imagery to sharpen. And if you ever want to return to the regular map style, you can access the same layers panel and switch back from there. No need to change any other settings. That's all there is to it. You've turned on satellite mode in Google Maps quickly and confidently. Thanks for watching and enjoy exploring the world from above.